If you're starting a new website, you've probably come across offers for cheap hosting with a free domain. Sounds perfect, right? One payment, one plan, and your site is live. But is it really that simple, or just a marketing trick? In this video, we'll break down what free domain actually means, reveal hidden costs, and compare the best budget hosting options. Let's help you make the right decision for your site and your wallet. Free domain hosting offers are everywhere. You'll often see them bundled into shared hosting plans to attract new users. But here's the catch, that free domain is usually only free for the first year. After that, renewal fees can range from $12 to $25 per year. So yes, it's technically free at first, but unless you cancel it, you'll be billed automatically next year, and it's rarely cheap. Domains like .com, .net, or .org usually cost $10 to $20 per year. Some hosting providers give you lesser-known domains like .xyz or site for free, but these might not be great for branding or SEO. Also, always check which extensions are included in the offer. Not all free domains are equal. Many users are shocked when renewal hits. Bluehost, for example, offers a free .com domain in year 1, but charges about $19.99 per year afterward. Hostinger renews domains from $11.99, and even Namecheap, known for fair pricing, has standard rates, though they include free privacy. Most free domain offers don't include privacy. That means your personal info, email, phone, name is public. Spammers love this. Some providers charge $10 to $15 per year for privacy. Namecheap includes lifetime WHOS privacy for free, even on cheap plans. That's a major plus. Hostinger is one of the cheapest options. Starting around $2.99 per month, it includes a free domain for the first year, free SSL, daily backups, and solid support. Bluehost starts at just $1.99 per month and offers a free domain worth up to $17.99. But be warned, renewals can jump to $11.99 per month. Privacy costs extra. Namecheap's plans start as low as $1.48 per month. You get a free domain, lifetime privacy, free SSL, and a free CDN. Great value for long-term savings. Let's look at the total cost over 3 years. Hostinger, $98.76. Bluehost, $140.76. Namecheap, $109.68. Hostinger comes out the cheapest overall, while Bluehost, despite its low entry price, is the most expensive once renewals and extras kick in. Watch for hidden costs like no daily backups unless you pay, no privacy protection unless you upgrade, website builders that start free, then demand payment, limited email accounts or bandwidth, and of course, renewal shock in year 2. Budget hosting can work well, but only if you read the fine print. Pros: easy, all-in-one setup, lower upfront cost, beginner-friendly dashboards, extras like SSL and backups. Cons: higher prices after year 1, limited domain types, lack of full ownership or DNS access, fewer features on basic plans. These offers are great for beginners, but only if you understand the limitations and avoid getting trapped in upsells later. So, is cheap hosting with a free domain worth it? Yes, for beginners and budget sites, but only if you choose wisely. Hostinger offers the best overall deal, with reliable speed, free features, and low long-term cost. Namecheap is a close second for privacy and domain control. Bluehost is popular but gets pricey fast. Always look at the 3-year cost, not just the first month deal. Thanks for watching. Found this helpful? Hit that like button, subscribe for more web hosting reviews, and visit www.hostzonic.com for detailed comparisons, expert guides, and exclusive hosting deals.